Next, let's have a look at angle bisections. First of all, measure your compass to some comfortable radius. You will put the compass point at this vertex here. And then you can either draw one large arc or two small arcs, so it goes through each of the line segments, or rays, or lines, or whatever it is that you have. Next, at this stage, if you want to, you can alter the radius of your compass. Okay? From here, put your compass point on one of the arcs that you created, and draw another arc, and make sure the arc goes through where you think the angle bisection will go through. Next, do not adjust it and put it on the other arc, and hopefully it will cross and make an arc there in the centre, which is where your angle bisection should be. Finally, with a ruler, connect this vertex here to this that you've just made there.